Hey, welcome to Mayfield Ranch. Let's go feed the animals and check out the garden. Come along with me. Look, I got some real boots on today. Take a picture of that. It's very rare. Hey, good morning, guys. You're very talking this morning. Oh, she's got her head resting on me. Hi, baby. You got your head resting on your sister.
The other food.
What food?
The other animals.
Hi. This animal right here. Stable mix for the goats. We got chicken feed. And we got hog feed. Can't feed Charlie too much. He's on a diet. You gotta make sure we got just enough for Charlie. Gotta make sure we got just enough for Charlie because he's on a diet. He's not very happy about it, but he's on a diet. We bought some hog feed and it had some moisture in it, so there's a little bit of mold. So we lost a bunch of our feed. So we still got a few more bags left. We're gonna have to buy more. Charlie, good morning, buddy. Got you some food here. You want some food? Come here, Charlie. There, buddy. stable mix. There we go. Got the chain anchored on here so we can keep the door open during the day. That way they have shelter if it rains or if it's really hot outside. And all the other animals, they also use the structure also as shade. So I put an eye hook and I put a net on the other side with a washer to keep it nice and secure, and it keeps the door open so the door don't shut in strong winds, and so they can have their structure for shelter. Here's our cat tree. Keeks doesn't use it very often, but the chickens do. But it looks like it's had better days.
Gary and this goose are still trying to figure out which one is in charge. They haven't decided yet. I think they just antagonize each other, really.
What? Snacks? Oh, I see you want some snackies. Yeah. You're getting, I don't even know how you get so, your shape. You're getting a good shape to you. Well, I guess round is the shape, huh?
These are those peas that we planted for fall. They're actually doing pretty well. They're growing. The goats are able to reach them, so they're getting a fair amount of snacks on their own, but we've still been able to get some peas. And there's still a bunch of flowers on them, so hopefully we'll get more before we get a heavier frost.
Why? They like when I throw food at them. I'm going to pick this zucchini, and I'm probably going to eat it with my tri-tip meal that I'm going to make maybe next weekend. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Nice little veggie to go with my piece of steak. These are delicata squashes. If you slice them really thin and put garlic salt on them, they taste just like French fries. Well, close enough. But these little guys, they're not ready. Well, that one came off and I picked it up. But anyways, they're supposed to get a little bit bigger before you pick them. Here's a squashy, but it's not very good. So the animals get to get a snack. They'll be happy. Here, Lola. Get my. Break it, huh?
So unfortunately, we had a frost already. It was really an early frost for us. We weren't expecting it at all. Luckily, it was pretty light. It did get our beans, though. So you can see that first row it did some damage on that second row. And our rattlesnake beans, it did quite a bit of damage. There still are some here that are good, but a lot of them, like most of the foliage, it's all dead. You can see there were a lot of green beans here that I didn't get harvested when I should have, but we weren't expecting that frost. There was a couple other things that got too. So the basil's okay. I don't know if we'll get much more eggplant, but it got the sage. So luckily it didn't really hurt the tomatoes or the peppers. They're still fine for the most part. We have a bunch of cherry tomatoes still here that we can harvest. It did get our cantaloupe, so that looks terrible. All the peppers and everything look pretty good. This is that basil that I really cut back a few weeks ago, and it's already sprouting. It's just blooming new basil leaves.
What are those? Those are hot suckers, huh?
Let me see. This one.
Eat one? Oh yeah. That wasn't smart.
What was that?
I said, that wasn't smart. Eat one. You eat one. It's your turn now. Woo!
Why are you crying?
What pepper is that? Ugh.
It's a mild one.
Yeah, right.
Babe, are you okay?
No. That's a little baby pepper too.
Yeah.
Professional, straight professional. Right? Took the bath away from me and took over my job. Mouth is still on fire.
Your shenanigans. Goats can have some, dogs can have some. This is the first week we don't have any long beans to harvest, so the cold's really gotten to them. Everything else looks pretty good out here except for our lemon cucumber and our other cucumbers, but It's definitely getting colder. We'll see how much longer we have. We do have these hot peppers that have finally gotten ripe and there's color to them, and orange habaneros, so we've got those to harvest. These are Brazilian starfish peppers. Those are pretty spicy and they're doing well. We do have some butternut squash that's still doing okay out here. And just a bunch of pepper plants just overloaded with peppers.
Go.
What are you doing, Joey? I'm gonna go for a ride. I'm so excited to go for a ride. All right. All right. All right. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. All right. Have a nice time. Be right back.
This one, no? No, it's got yellow on it, huh?
You'll eat it. Don't hit an animal.
That is pickle. See the pickle? A little bit of vinegar equals pickle. This. Geez, that was a field day, huh?
What do you got?
Got about a half a basket full of stuff. I got a bunch of vegetables that'll be good with the rest of our food. We got some squashes, some cucumbers. We got some bell peppers, jalapenos, green beans, a few tomatoes. Not many tomatoes this year, but take what we can get. See you guys. See you next time. Boy.
Hi, Bubba.
Thanks you guys for hanging out with us. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, giving you an idea what a Saturday morning on our little farm looks like between the animals and the work in the garden. We'll see you guys next week.